Let's say you have a problem, and you don't know how to fix it. Well, I'm here to show you another method on how to solve some of those problems that you may have. Let's say you've tried many things to try and solve your problem, and you still haven't solved it. One of the first steps you may want to take is to ask questions. Questions like, when did the problem start occurring? What changed when the problem started occurring? Questions like these will help you find and solve the problem that you have. One of the ways to answer some of these questions is to look inside whatever is having the problem. This can be anywhere from looking at the problem in another way, or physically taking whatever is having the problem apart. One of the ways to do this, which is my favorite, is to take the object apart. This is my favorite because when I was younger, I would sometimes go to a program after school in which they would bring in old appliances and screwdrivers, and they would let us take those appliances apart. This was really fun because we got to learn another method on how to solve problems. How this can be useful to you is you can see the pieces as an individual and see which piece or group of pieces is causing the problem. Now, the first time you try this may not work. Because as my dad said, who does this a lot, this is possibly the right solution, but it not always is. And it can be frustrating at times in which you try it and it doesn't work. A quote he told me, which I thought was good, was, because it tells you just what you need to do to solve a problem, is if first you don't succeed, try again in a different way. One of the ways to try again in a different way is to ask for help. Help is helpful because help can help you solve your problem. The help you have may help you think about the problem in a way you may not have thought of without the help. And that may be a way that will lead you to looking at the problem in a way that you should in order to solve it. Your help the help you find may just have more experience than you do. It may be their job to do this sort of thing. And even if you don't really feel like your help helped you solve your problem, your help more often than not provides you clues in order to solve the problem, which are very useful. And now that once you've solved your problem, now you have the experience to solve the same problem or a similar problem if it ever happens to show up again. And also now you feel better because now you can move on to other things now that you've solved your problem. What I want you to take away from this presentation is don't be afraid to take apart something to try and solve a problem. Always look for more than one way to solve a problem because there's usually more than one way and not just one. Always ask for help and ask questions because these are two big helpers on helping you solve a problem. Always look for more ideas because the ideas you find may be ideas that you may not have found without finding them. And the ideas may help you think about the problem in a way that will help you think about a problem in a way that is the right way to solve the problem. And always remember to change how you look at a problem. But this problem doesn't have to be a physical problem like a blender. It can be anything, any problem that you may have. Thank you.